Welcome back to Max and Amy's Beach Vacation. Today they're exploring the fascinating world of tide pools, where they'll discover some of the ocean's most amazing creatures. As they peer into these rocky pools, they find a marine biology crisis that needs their help. Thousands of colorful starfish stranded in shallow water. Max and Amy quickly learn that starfish, also called sea stars, are incredible creatures with unique biology. Unlike fish, they don't have brains, blood, or hearts. Instead, they use a water vascular system with tiny tube feet to move and feed. Each starfish has a central disc and usually 5 arms. But here's something amazing. If they lose an arm, they can completely regenerate it. Our young marine biologists observe how starfish eat by pushing their stomach outside their body to digest food, a process called eversion. They discover that starfish are keystone species in tide pool ecosystems, controlling populations of mussels and barnacles. But unusual tide patterns have left these sea stars exposed to dangerous sun and heat, causing dehydration and threatening the entire ecosystem. Max and Amy spring into action, using engineering principles to create water channels and shade structures. They carefully connect isolated pools, allowing starfish to move to safety while maintaining the natural flow of the ecosystem. Through systematic rescue and habitat restoration, they help each starfish find its way back to deeper, safer waters. By the end of their mission, Max and Amy have learned that marine conservation isn't just about individual animals. It's about protecting entire ecosystems and understanding how every creature plays a vital role in ocean health.